bring quality content from the Philippines and also to the Philippines. And this is one of the materials that I think pasok doon sa mission namin as a film and production studio.
This is the first movie po ba na dinistribute to the
we had
Philippines?
last year we had Kim Son Ho's The Child. We also distributed Sofia Coppola's Priscilla.
Priscilla.
Yeah, Priscilla with Hailey and Jacob Elordi. And then we also had this award-winning movie by Anthony Chen, The Breaking Ice. And also a horror, the scariest horror movie of 2023, which is entitled When Evil Lurks. It's an Argentinian movie. So this, 5 or 6. And then there's a lot of international movies coming in.
Wow, advance congratulations for that, Direk, no? Speaking of movies naman po, parang active na rin ang Frizayan making movies, dito Pinoy movies.
Yes.
And one of those is yung Everything About My Wife with Jenalyn.
Yes.
How was it po? Tapos na ba yung...
Tapos yung movie, and we will be announcing kung kailan siya ipapalabas. We'll be announcing very soon when, and I hope you're tuning in when we announce it because I cannot preempt. But it's really fun. It's a widely adapted movie, meaning a lot of countries already made their own versions of the movie, but it started in Argentina.
Yes.
It's called Un Novio para Mi Mujer. And then
Korea.
There's a Korean version, All About My Wife. And then there's an Indian Tamil version. There is Spanish, Chile, Mexican, Vietnamese, and then now, after all these countries, Philippines naman yung gumawa ng movie.
What was the process po doon sa casting? I mean, si Jenalyn na talagang
When
top
I
of mind.
first saw it, kasi it was offered to us for adaptation, I instantly saw Jenalyn doing it. And then I asked her about it. Kasi friends naman kami ni Jen, so I messaged her. Tapos pinapanood ko sa kanya, sabi ko, watch this, there's no other actress that I think can do it but you. Kung pinanood niya, that was early 2023 pa.
Okay.
So baby pa si Dylan, so parang medyo
Inactive
hindi pa siya pwedeng lumabas, and parang I think that time syempre takot pa tayong lumabas pa din because of the, we're still in the pandemic, diba? Plus syempre may baby. So sabi niya, intayin niyo ako. Sabi ko, yes, we will wait for you. So until finally we found time to do it. Siya talaga, inantay talaga namin siya for the movie. Also si Dennis din that time, hindi rin pwede si Dennis because ang usapan nila mag-asawa is isa lang yung pwede. Tapos dumating na yung time na pwede na sila pareho. So it's really meant for them.
That's why doon sa first story ko, Gerald was included.
Hindi rin nag-work out kasi yung schedule ni Gerald. Sadly, but we were really scheduled to shoot. Kaya lang nagkaroon din ng problem with Gerald's schedule. So I think it's really destined to have a real-life couple, Dennis Trillo and Jenalyn Mercado.
Yeah. Their last movie was Rosario pa, and
pero hindi sila
ano
partners.
doon talaga. Ito rom-com, wala pa silang rom-com.
Wala pa. So this is their very first.
Yeah.
And it's actually very, more than romantic, it's comedy. Kasi it's a comedy of marriage. But syempre, pasok pa din siya sa genre ng rom-com.
Buhay na buhay ang rom-com or comedy this year.
Yes. I think yun yung gusto ng Pinoy. And we missed it. We missed laughing at the cinemas with other people. Yung talagang tatawa ka lang, matatouch ka, iiyak ka, kikiligin ka. Na-miss ng Pinoy yung ganong klase.
May chance po ba na i-submit ito sa MMFF?
Hindi na, kasi may green bones sa si Dennis. So we can no longer pass it to MMFF. But it's okay because we have naman Himala, isang musical. Creation Studios is delivering a milestone project, at least from our company, himala, isang musikal. And
Wow.
I think people should really watch out for it. It's a different kind of movie. Nagtayo talaga kami ng set sa studio. Nagtayo kami ng mundo. Yung mundo ng kupang. Iba siya dito sa musical. Iba yung version. So, isa to sa mga kailangan naman. So it's okay lang.
May entry
Kung
naman.
hindi na kami makapasok sa MMFF.
So it's if ever direct, hindi mapupush ko siya this year or next year?
We will announce the final. We will announce the final if this year talaga siya. But I think I will know sometime this week kung final siya.
Because Jeneline fans, including me, are very
Ah, you're a
excited.
Jeneline fan.
Yes! And 20 years na niya this year.
Yes.
So hopefully, tuloy-tuloy din yung celebration
Yes.
niya
Yes.
in her album. So we're looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and like, ang dami niyo po mga nakatrabaho, Jeneline, Del Filio. So, sino ba po yung gusto niyong actors o actress na makatrabaho in the future?
Top of mind.
Makatrabaho. Siguro, gusto ko si Nadine.
Wow.
Kasi may grit si Nadine eh. And siguro may yung tipo ng mga roles na naiisip ko na pwede niyang dalhin. Gusto ko rin makatrabaho si Sarah Geronimo. Kasi I'm a secret pastor. Secret lang.
Ngayon hindi na secret.
Di ba?
Hindi na secret. How about sa love teams po ngayon? May gusto po ba makawork?
Love teams,
Like ngayon po yung team
I
Pao
think,
kasi.
oo. But I think meron yung nakikita ko na promising talaga si
Sino yun?
Maris and saka si
Anthony.
Anthony.
Yeah.
Magandang tandem yung dalawa na yun. Kasi iba yung timpla. Magaling sa timing, magaling sa comedy pareho, pero marunong sa emotions. So kaya mong pagdramahin pa rin yung dalawa. So medyo flexible sila.
Ito direct na maraming nag-sign na mga artists under Crisayon management,
Yeah.
tama ba? Including Meryl Soriano,
Yeah.
Jade Lopez.
Yes.
In a chance po na talaga magiging management na siya?
Yeah.
And then,
We have our management company na way before. It's called Fame.
yeah.
Artist management. So, unabsorbed din kasi ng Creation Studios yung artist management niya. So, we're handling artists who are more of serious actresses. Like, the likes of Dali De Leon. Charo Santos is with us.
Wow.
Miss Charo Santos, she's with us. Shai Fonasher,
Oh, yeah.
she's also with us. Of course, Meryl just signed recently, and si Jade naman is actually nagbabalik
Yeah.
sa showbiz kasi after how many
Giving
years?
birth,
5
yeah.
years. Nag-hiatus siya because she focused on her family
Motherhood.
life. Yeah. So, medyo nandun kami sa linya na yon ng mga actors.
We saw na nag-visit doon si Iza Casado and Barbie
Yes.
Forteza. May
Yes.
chance ba na magka-movie
Or
or meeting?
meron kaming mga lineup of projects
Wow.
that we will announce very soon.
So, looking forward to that direct.
Yes.
Invite na lang everyone to watch the Substance.
Yes, I hope you guys can check out The Substance at the cinemas starting September 25. It's showing nationwide. Supportahan po natin ito from Asian Studios.
Thank
Thank you,
you. Thank you so
Direk.
much, Direk.
Thank you.